Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at the LiuGong facility in Poland with Max from DENS. Max,
Yes.
It's unusual to have somebody that's not from LiuGong talking to me about battery systems, but you've got a very, very big battery system
Exactly.
that you are linking in and helping the team here when it comes to the very, very big wheel loaders. So this one particularly here is the larger size and therefore requires a lot of energy. So tell me a little bit about DENS and what you've been doing in partnership with LiuGong and why that's important to people wanting to use these machines on like mega shifts.
Yeah. Obviously, it's an electric machine. You need infrastructure to charge it so you can work multiple days in a row. And what our company is specialized in is we have developed multiple heavy-duty off-grid charging solutions. With, for instance, one of our unique products is like a big hook system that you can draw on a flat rack, and it contains 2.3 megawatt hours of energy capacity. It's like the same capacity that one household will need for 1 year.
Wow.
And you can probably run this machine or actually recharge this machine for 2 weeks of work.
So fundamentally, if you've got an off-grid application where you need an electric machine, like, so it could be in central London or
Exactly.
whatever, and it could be a big hole in the ground, for example, you could actually crane that system in and therefore have the battery right next to where the machine needs it. Therefore, we're not running backwards and forwards to charge it up. In fact, it's closer potentially than it would be for the diesel Bowser to be there, wouldn't it?
Probably, yeah.
So how does it actually work then? So you've got the system and there's a big batteries in there, obviously. What type of batteries are they? And how does that all then link up to allow this to fast charge? That's what I want. I want it to fast charge.
Of course. So we use basically the same battery technology as LiuGong is using. So it's the LFP battery cells.
Okay.
And in our factory, we link them up all to the 2.3 megawatt hours, and we install a DC to DC fast charger. So that's also for a more efficient energy conversion directly from DC, from our battery pack, DC into the machine. And you can do that up to 360 kilowatts of power if you want.
So currently this machine is 150 kilowatt, but we have been told, folks, which is a bit of an exclusive here, we have been told that's going to go up beyond 300 as well. That's really important because that allows you to put more power in faster, doesn't it?
Yeah, so basically within 1.5 hours you can charge it from 0 to 100%, and that's really unique.
Wow, 1.5 hours for a machine this size. And let's remind everybody, how big is the battery in here?
Like 423, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, 423, quite precise there. But that is the capacity that allows it to do a big shift as well. So fundamentally, you're a partner now with LiuGong. You can deliver the power wherever it is, on the back of a low loader, crane it in, whatever, ship it to site, boost these babies, and basically get us all electrified and get us working those big shifts. That's the really important thing, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Continue to work without the classic thought that you need long hours of charging. It's nonsense. You can do it quickly and you can run it more efficient and way better than the classic version.
And of course, folks, if you're not running it and if you're waiting for something to happen, you're not using your battery. So therefore you're not idling, and lots of applications where we can't use diesel as well, because all of these pieces of equipment are application led. Great to see you. Great to see how big the batteries are as well. Cheers.